Okay, good afternoon. My name of the channel is 𝗪𝗲𝗥𝗞𝗦𝗛𝗛𝗡 TV. Is a Hausa language channel.
Okay.
So first of all, before I ask my questions, please, sir, I want to commend you on what you are doing. You are really doing a great job. I am educated with your videos. I can say I watch almost all of your videos concerning YouTube, AdSense, and so on. The videos that I didn't watch is just about that affiliate market and so on. But that of YouTube, I watch all of them, and I get so much knowledge. With them,
Wow.
I started my YouTube around January this year. That is 4 months now. And
Okay.
as I'm talking to you now, I have more than 10,000 subscribers within these 4 months.
Wow. An Hausa
So
channel.
yes, an Hausa channel.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
My channel got monetized within 2 months. Within 2 months of starting the YouTube,
Mm.
my channels get
Wow.
monetized. For now, I requested the pin twice, although none of them, I didn't receive any of the pin that I requested 2 times. So I am going to request the third time this coming Saturday. Okay, sir. But concerning the CPM, sir, this is where I have problems, sir. Really, I get a very,
Okay.
very low CPM, sir. Some of my videos, I don't get $1
Okay.
for 1K view. Many of my videos. In fact, there is one of my video, I just checked it before we start this live broadcasting. The video has 64 views, 64,000 views. But what I got as revenue is
Views.
just
Okay.
what I got as revenue for that 60,000 views is just, yeah, the revenue is just $10. But none of my videos so far has more than $1 for 1K views. So I don't know what am I doing wrong.
Okay.
Or is it because of my channel is based on African language that YouTube don't understand or what? I don't know.
Exactly. Exactly. That is the challenge of African creators, or especially when you create a video. I mean, when you create content that is not widely acceptable or in a widely acceptable language like English. Like if you create more of Hausa content, I'm sorry, not when I say Hausa content, that's African language or something
Okay.
that is not globally, how would I put that is not global, a global language like English, French, Chinese, and so on and so forth. So the major problem with your CPM is because your content is a local based content, and most of your viewers are probably most of them will be within Africa.
Yes.
Like from your analytics, most where did they come from? Like that video that have 60,000 views with you say $10, right?
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
what what
$10.
what's the location of the viewers?
The location of that video that
Oh,
I put
I'm
very low CPM is Niger. I did a video on,
okay. Niger.
yes, Niger, yes, Niger Republic. That's the major source of major audience.
Okay, sure. Okay. So that's where the problem lies. Your challenge with your CPM is that the location of your viewers they are coming from a very low CPM, I mean region. That is, Niger is even among the lowest
Mm,
when it comes to Africa. At least
mm,
Nigeria, South Africa, Egypt, these countries, Egypt, those North African countries have higher CPM than most of the other parts of Africa. But Niger is among the least. So if most of your viewers are coming from Niger, so that's why you are having that low CPM. You have about 60,000 views and you're getting less than $10. if there's any way you can still do, maybe you can do, maybe when you do the Hausa version, you can do your normal version, then you do maybe the English version, something like that. They can help increase your CPM. You say your CPM is about, you say 2% and $2 or so. What's your CPM of that video?
$1 to 1K views.
Okay, $1.
Okay.
But okay, what I would advise you, if you can do the translation version, just translate it. It will help you so that people from other countries that might be interested in your content, not minding the language barrier, can also consume your content, and thereby your CPM can come up as
Thank
a
you.
waiting
Thank you very
room.
much, sir.
So let me, okay, well done. Thanks for joining. So I would like to get a feedback from, you can try this idea I gave to you, so that, and I would like to have a feedback about it. Okay.